Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the concrete details the bank uses: branch name, city, branch code or IFSC, and your account number. Once done, check a recent bank statement or passbook to confirm spellings and numeric codes. Mistakes here cause wrong SWIFT matches. Next, use your customer ID or a phone number registered with the bank so you can verify information quickly. This prevents delays when asking staff or searching official tools, and it sets you up to find the correct SWIFT code efficiently. You should use official channels to search. Log into net banking or the SBI mobile app and navigate to the international transfers or bank details area because those pages list SWIFT codes. If you prefer human help, call the branch using the number on your statement. Ask them to confirm the SWIFT/BIC for that exact branch. Make sure to match the branch name plus city. Many banks use one SWIFT for a group of branches, so precise matching avoids choosing an incorrect routing code. You finish by confirming the SWIFT/BIC directly with branch staff, paying attention to capitalization and any trailing characters because banks can be strict. Once confirmed, enter the code when setting up your international transfer and double-check beneficiary name, account number, and purpose to avoid rejections. Finally, consider sending a small test transfer to validate everything. If anything goes wrong, call the branch immediately and ask them to trace the transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.